Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys date and time setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we set guys date in our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to set guys date in your Samsung phone device, so how can we set guys today friends? I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we set date in our Samsung phone device. So guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting guys, click on guys your phone journal management setting guys, tap on the journal setting guys, then click on date and time. Friends, you can see set date guys, tap here to set. So friends, you can see monthly guys, you can see January, July, August, September, October, November guys, we can set like that. So I will set into guys like 21 November. I will done option guys, tap here to set. So friends, you can see 21 November date will set. Friends, you can see Monday 21 November. So like that guys, we can set date and we can use it. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.